Hi, I'm Evan Lowe, member of the California State Assembly. I'm excited to announce that APAPA is launching its 2021 Leadership Skills Training and Speaker Series. APAPA has invited elected officials and others in public leadership to share with you the knowledge and skills that brought them success. The first set of workshops is called Getting Elected to Local Office 101. It starts on Saturday, March 27th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. via Zoom. The presenters will be Lily May, the Mayor of Fremont, California; Sheng Thao, Councilwoman in the City of Oakland; and Allan Fung, the former four-term Mayor of Cranston, Rhode Island. If you're thinking of running for a public office now or 5 years from now, then this training is for you. You'll learn how to evaluate yourself as a potential candidate, develop your message and build your support base, represent your district's issues, and most importantly, win elections. Later this year, APAPA is hosting a communications workshop series that will teach you how to work with print and live media, maximize social networks, and master the art of public speaking. Following that, our special speaker series will cover a range of topics from how to seek judicial appointments to how organizations can participate in effective lobbying. Do not miss this terrific opportunity to learn from the best. Go to apapa.org to register and get ongoing notifications about APAPA's Leadership Skills Training and Speaker Series. Thank you very much.